What's happening, YouTube? It's been a minute. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what y'all watching. It's 2TV. Tune in.
I don't know what it is about it.
See, my hustle don't contain me going backwards. If it ain't money, then the convo ain't a factor. What's happening, man? Y'all know what time it is. Look, we're gonna get right into it. I ain't even gonna play around. Look, check this out. So, a couple days ago, if I'm not mistaken, I'm trying to whatever. A couple days ago, you feel me? I had made some posts on my story, you know what I'm saying? And me being me, I go and look at my story and I look for the new people. I look for the new people who watch my story, and then I go check their profile out, because I be getting a lot of people, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't even capping, I ain't sugarcoating nothing. You feel me? I be having like I don't know if y'all remember the road, man. The road, he be watching my story all the time. It's a couple other, you know what I'm saying, well-known people or known people that be watching my story. So I like to go through and watch my story, and then sometimes it just be some dope-ass people that be watching my story. So, and that's how I find new people to follow, you know what I'm saying? So I found this cat that was watching my story on Instagram named Yellow Pain. This man got a fire track, a fire video, man. I only watched like 30 seconds of it, cut it off, because I wanted to watch the rest with y'all, man. I wanted y'all to see this, man. I think he from Cleveland, Ohio. This cat got a track, man. This track is one of the dopest tracks I done heard all year. No cap. We gonna get right into it, man. It's a young boy, man, named Yellow Pain out of Cleveland, Ohio. Man, y'all check him out, man. Same name on IG. Y'all check him out, man. Mm-hmm.
I know you waited for this one.
Did y'all read that? I don't know if y'all read that. Basically saying these new rap niggas, all these rap cats, they making it, they blowing it off of these tracks. They ain't talking about nothing. They ain't saying nothing. They making it off of dumb shit. You feel me? That's the beginning. Let's go.
Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin, Gucci, Louis, Prada, all I gotta say to make it. Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin, Henny bottles, Cindy buckle, shit that y'all be saying. All I gotta do is just hop on the beat and it's sad like this, and I'm making them listen. Hop in the video, waving my pistol, and then they gon' think I'm a killer. Talk about popping the pill that you only should get if you take a prescription. Been rapping forever and ain't got a hit, so if I do this, maybe I get it. Substance, ain't nobody got that shit. They don't. I got a Glock. Boom, boom, boom. Niggas gon' buy that shit. Right. Half of these rappers don't really be killers, they really be lying and shit. For real. But y'all don't believe them, y'all still gon' believe them, so fuck it, I'm trying that shit. I'ma try to out with an Uzi I got from Iraq. Turn your back on me, get shot in the back. Sound like I mean it, so you gon' believe it, but I was just lying so y'all can react. I brought an apron to wear in the kitchen. I got a bed to take care of the dishes. I ate a plate of asparagus, it was disgusting, but I'ma just say it's delicious. See how I didn't say nothing, cause y'all can be talking about nothing to make it convincing. For real. I get it, it's
See how I didn't say nothing? Cause y'all could be talking about nothing and make it convincing. That's what these niggas is doing, man. They don't be talking about nothing, man. You got cats that still be metaphoric. You know what I'm saying? They still be metaphoric, like, with they bars, but they don't be talking about nothing. Just like he said, drugs, women, cars, money, jewelry. That's it. That's it, bro. That set a bad example in a bad lane, in a bad way for the future of hip hop and rap, bro. Cause where is it really gonna go from here? It's gonna have to go and revert back to, you feel me? Cause it can't. Where else is gonna go? Where else it really gonna go? Come on, youngster.
But niggas be stupid and lying and making y'all feel it. I cried and I gave them my feelings. I did, but y'all really ain't trying to listen.
Nah.
So maybe I need to start talking about stupid ass shit so y'all pay me attention.
Right.
Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin.
Right.
Gucci, Louis, Prada, all I gotta say to make it.
Hey.
Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin. Henny bottles, Fendi buckle, shit that y'all be saying. All I gotta do is just hop on the beat and then say it like this and I'm making them listen. Hop in the video, waving my pistol and then they gon' think I'm a killer. Talk about popping the pill that you only should get if you take a prescription. Been rapping forever and ain't got a hit, so if I do this, maybe I get it. Pills, pistols, pretty women, Bentley whipping, stripping, yeah. Winning, millions, no more penny pinching, yeah. Benji's, Andrew Jackson's, and you listen, spend it. I ain't just say shit, but when I did, I know they didn't listen, I wanna talk about making investments. Don't wanna hear that you banging your weapon. My OG had told me you pull it, then pop it, quit showing it off, it was made for protection. I'm just relaying the message. I know you just trying to get paid, but it.
Quit showing that off. It was made for protection. I ain't gonna lie, I get on that sometime, but I ain't been on that in a long time. I ain't been on that in a long time, a couple years, but I used to get on that, man, or I used to feel like that, like, man, I'm about to show my, you feel me, show my guns off or whatever, but I ain't did that in a long time, though, but like you said, it's for protection, bro, you feel me? If you on defense, you feel me, how you gonna be on a proper defense if you showing the offense what you got? You know what I'm saying? Because the offense coming for you. If you on defense, they don't know if you got a rocket launcher, if you got a 22 revolver, they don't know what you got. But you showing it off, you feel me? Then they know what you got, so they know what to come with. You feel me? Y'all gotta read that Sun Shoe joint. Dang, I can't remember what that book called right now, man. The Art of War. You know what I'm saying? You gotta read The Art of War, you feel me? If you ain't never read it. Let's go.
Shit that you saying just ain't that impressive, no. It's just pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin. Gucci, Louis, Prada, all I gotta say to make it. Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin. Henny bottles, Fendi buckle, shit that y'all be saying. Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin. Pills, pistols, pretty women, Benjamin Franklin.
Yeah, that shit dope. And you got some little cuties in there, man. Yellow Pain, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all like this video? Go show that man some love on IG. Show that man some love on YouTube. Find the rest of his social media, man. Hit that man up. Show some love on this track, man. Y'all know what to do on this video. Drop something in the comments. Like, subscribe. Hit that notification button. Let me know what y'all want to see. I got some more stuff coming on the way. But for right now, that's it. And this is 2TV.